Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.49. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 6.23%. This equates to an average return of 1.56% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 46% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from approximately -60% to -41% in a longer-term perspective. Our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about -28%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from a decline of around 88% to an increase of about 43% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price range between $2.44 and $28.61. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline. On Tuesday, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price gained an impressive 5.44%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price increased by 5.44% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, rising from $18.93 to $19.96. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.26%, ranging from a low of $18.71 to a high of $20.26. The price has seen some ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.48% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with 3 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $127,130,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 64.7% or $36.59 below the 52-week high and 74.86% or $59.42 below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. In a significant development today, a hedge fund disclosed a substantial short position of $105 million against the Trump Media and Technology Group, owner of Truth Social. This reflects growing skepticism about the company's stock performance. This short bet, amounting to 2.5% of the company's outstanding shares, indicates market concerns regarding profitability and competitive positioning, particularly as the company grapples with high operational costs amid ongoing global fiscal uncertainties. Simultaneously, Trump Media has launched a suite of America First-themed separately managed accounts, in collaboration with Yorkville America Equities and Index Technologies. This initiative aims to attract new investments targeting the patriotic investment segment. It may have potential in stimulating investor interest and could offset some negativity from the short position. While short selling indicates immediate bearish sentiment, the launch of these new investment vehicles positions the company to potentially tap into a niche market. This could lead to longer-term growth and enhance market confidence if successfully executed. However, The pressure on the stock from the hedge fund's actions might result in short-term volatility, affecting investor sentiment and stock price in the near future. Overall, while cautious investors may perceive the hedge fund's move as a signal to sell, the new strategic partnerships could counter these fears if they begin to show tangible results. Balancing these developments will be crucial for stock performance in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to the stock of Trump Media and Technology Group. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by nearly 20%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume is also increasing in tandem with the price, making this a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may affect short-term developments. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average is signaling a general sell. This indicates that since the long-term average is above the short-term average, a general sell signal exists, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. As the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $20.44. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $18.69. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 61 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 57 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 46 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.79 and $18.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $18.79. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.76 and $17.32. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.55 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 8.26%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 11.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to a lack of profitability and pose potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.27. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $18.79. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 21.608. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our assessment of this stock is negative, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 31.8 cents and begin trading at $19.64. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.